Start first by thanking His Excellency.
Mihango ya guthondeka weru kamiti itiganite cia Mbunge ithiite na mbere na kunyita thinga na kamiti iria ihetwo uigiririki wa gwetha memba kamiti itiganite mathiite na mbere na kugia na miario na atongoria ngurani.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Speaker wa Mbunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula augite ati kamiti ino nitanyitwo kurikiriria mihango ino ica ikuhi mbere ya bururi umenyete uria kamiti ici cigutongorio.
Notified by the leader of the majority party and the leader of the minority party that the committee on selection is yet to conclude the nomination of members to the lapsed committees. Further, the leaders note that consultations are ongoing and will be concluded soon to allow for the reconstitution of the specified committees.
Taru kiria kwa muno riu ni campaign na kulobi ni kenda mundu agie committee ria influential ni tondu wa Mbunge akoragwa umite constituency yake na ni mathina ma constituency yake mekaria atia.
Hari komba kamiti ici weru imwe cia kamiti iria cirari mwena wa Kenya Kwanza cigucoka mwena wa Azimio, riboti cia gukunyanirwo cikiuga ati itua riri ria ya gukorwo riraiguanirwo gatagati ga President William Ruto na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga.
Advantage iria ODM riu enayo ni nene na ni tura imagine kamiti ria ikuthondekwa ni gukorwo influence ni gukorwo ikiaga reflected thiini wa kamiti. Nirona members a ODM ne occupy positions lakini ugu niguo siasa ituraga. There is nothing new in politics.
Imwe ya kamiti iria cirerekana cigukorwo cigitongorio ni Azimio na Mogaruruku matafanio ni kamiti ya budget iria ikoretwo igitongorio ni Mbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro. Kamiti iria ibatie gukorwo ihinda-ini riri ikihang'ania na mutaratara wa guthondeka budget no riu uigiririki uyu wambite kuneanwo kuri kamiti ingi.
Similarly, noting that the supplementary estimates too for the 2024-2025 financial year have just been laid on the table of the House, I also refer the same to the liaison committee for processing.
Kamiti ingi iria ciragwetwo ati cia ya gucokio mwena wa Azimio ni ya wonjoria iria itongoragio ni James Gakuya, ya urumwe wa icigirira rungu rwa Mbunge wa Gibibiri wa Jikwa Muhia na ya uruti wa wira rungu rwa Mbunge wa Runyenjes Eric Karemba.
Of course, tiko opposition marenda kugia vinya gukira government. Unduria wivo ni ati amemba acio a ODM na ciama iria isupportaga Azimio no amende kugia influence in committees nundu ni twise committees cia parliament ni cio ithondekaga budget.
Uiguano wa gukorwo Azimio ikineo imwe cia kamiti iria kwa mutugo cibati gukorwo mwena wa thirikari urerikana gukorwo umanite na itua ria igoti riria ririgite gwathana ati mwena wa Azimio niguo wabati gukorwo ri mwena wa aria aingi na uguo kurakorwo na miario ya kuhoreria uteti Mbunge-ini na njira ya thirikari kuneana kamiti imwe kuri Azimio.
That is there's nowhere that has been discussed. Remember, Raila Odinga, any action that he takes in a collective responsibility with the party and its troops. That consultation has not been made anywhere.
Hamwe na uguo kanyaga kahuthikite kweheria aria makoretwo makionekana ta marang'ethanira na thirikari. Aingi ao ari ni athiriti ya uria wari munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua.
Agakorwo uguo turonire Senate gwekara niguo iyo niyo njira igutumirwa thiini wa National Assembly. Of course maundu ta mau ni tureciria ni mako happen ni tondu na kwira siasa. You see, the more things change, the more things remain the same.
Hado ine haka FM, retu area kwa Nikimani Wagujiri.